Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, you can head on over to YouTube to the FXStreet channel, hit the subscribe button, and you can follow myself individually, I guess it's the right way to say that, at Just Analysis 1 on Twitter. Taking a look at VeChain. VeChain, at the time of recording, looks a little bit on the heavy side along with the rest of the crypto market. You're just seeing a lot of this kind of bearish continuation pattern going on. You do have a very strong and persistent and long-term bear flag that has existed on VeChain's chart really since that original swing low was established back in June. And then we see the drop below it that occurred right at the beginning of December, and just kind of a continuation drive south. If you want to like the really kind of ugly outlook, we'd use a Fibonacci expansion from these primary swings and plot out where it would likely go. We get into we got to do this as a percentage move and not a linear move. So we got the 618, which is where the low was established on the flash crash at 61.8. But then we get into the 100% fib extension is all the way down at 4 cents. And below that, you get the 168 extension, which is all the way down at 1.5 cents. It is getting into some danger zone territory, especially if it gets below the 8-cent range, because that is the last kind of line of support. That's where the 618 fib retracement is at, and that's the last chunk of supportive volume below this high volume node, because then really between 8 cents and 2 and 3 cents, there's really not a lot of support here at all, volume profile wise. It's just kind of empty. I mean, you are extremely oversold levels within the optics bands and the composite index. Excuse me. And the RSI is in bear market territory, and we're hitting the 30 level as the first oversold level, and then 20 is just below that. So yeah, it doesn't look very good here on the long side in the interim. But if we're looking for a long entry, there is a setup for one on the 2.5 or the 0.00. It's the quarter of a cent 3-box reversal chart, and that would be at a break of this triple top at 0.1023 with a stop, 4-box stop down at 0.0923, 0.0925, and then long at 0.1025, and then the profit target is up at 13.25. That would be the target. It's a 3-to-1 reward for the risk on that setup for VeChain. On the short side, there definitely is one that could be looked at on the current chart of the half-cent 3-box reversal chart. Just get that hidden there. We'd be looking at a breakdown. You could look at a break of the double bottom that would form at 8 cents, or you could wait until 7.5 cents. But definitely, really, any kind of move here that would see it break below definitely 8 cents likely triggers some strong immediate selling that could see it hit that the 5-cent level very quickly. But I mean, from a point figure perspective, the downside potential right here, it doesn't seem as strong as the upside potential, despite the more immediate selling pressure that we're seeing. I just want to look at this on the hourly chart to see what's going on. Yeah, you're seeing a VeChain kind of position for an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout here on the hourly chart, but it's kind of at that extreme in the optics bands while it's testing Senko span B. So I mean, we'll see what happens. It just overall, the whole market looks like it's just in one big continuation move south. So we'll just keep an eye on it, update it as needed. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.